Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, this is my number 6 project idea for this series, Granny Squares, Flower Granny Squares. So this is the Sunburst Granny Square project, and it really makes me think of sunflowers. Just the way these petals come out around here just makes me think of sunflowers. You could definitely do this in sunflowery colors, right? So let's open this up and see what we can find out. Alright, so this is by Paula in the Cloud, and this is a Sunburst Granny Square crochet pattern, sunflower granny square photo tutorial and written pattern, blanket motif, bag motif, PDF only. And I think what she really wants you to understand is that she doesn't have any instructions as far as making a blanket or a bag. This is really just for the square only. So it looks like here it shows us actually some pictures of how simple this is to make. I just absolutely love the colors that she uses. Super adorable. And it looks like this is kind of what a page in the pattern looks like. Looks like it's very, very well illustrated. Allison agrees. She says, honestly, this pattern is exceptional with gorgeous photos paired with patient, insightful, well-written instructions. This might be the best explained and best presented pattern I've come across on Etsy. Congrats to the seller and keep making more patterns, please, as you are so talented at it. So that's a pretty good review, I would say. Josie says, very well written pattern, easy to understand with pictures. And Tony agrees, nicely detailed pattern, can't wait to try it. And the last one here says, wonderfully and clearly written and detailed. So really good reviews here. I just want to see if it lists difficulty level here. It is written in US terms. In English, the skill level she lists as intermediate. This pattern can be used for all your creative projects, blankets, hats, bags, tops, etc. So I really like this one a lot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something that appeals to you? And yeah, would you consider purchasing this pattern from Paula in the Cloud? I'm sure she'd appreciate it. All right, everybody, until tomorrow, I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.